start with your skewer in the stem end of your strawberry. Then you're gonna take a sharp knife and we're gonna make cuts in the strawberry like this, and then peel it back a little. Peel it back. Already got one there. Okay, and then the second layer, you wanna do the petals in between the second or the first layer. And then once you get to the top, you want to make a circular cut. Okay, and then once you have your rose shape cut out, you're gonna get your melted chocolate. This is Baker's chocolate, the easy melt kind from the craft store. Give it a stir. We're gonna take our rose, hold back the leaves so they don't get covered. Pull your chocolate at one end and rotate your strawberry into the chocolate. You just want to get a quick dip, let it drip for a second, and then turn it right side up. To let it dry. All right. And we're gonna put it down on our tray. And go in with sugar sprinkles. For the chocolate hearts, you're gonna wanna start with the skewer on the bottom of the strawberry, and we're gonna remove the leaves. Go back in with your same super sharp knife, and we're gonna cut a little V shape in the top of the strawberry. Oh.
The skewer.
Okay, so after you've made all your cuts, you're gonna dip it into your melted chocolate. There we go. And then add your sprinkles before the chocolate dries. Okay, and once your strawberries have dried, you can add them to a cute little vase like this. You have a wonderful little Valentine's bouquet.